Hey guys, so today I am going to be doing a unboxing video, and this is going to be from the site Influenster or influenster.com, and this is the Spring Beauty Vox Box. And I just received my package yesterday, and although I already opened the box yesterday, I'm just going to show you again what's in there. So I just put everything back in. But yeah, the box looks like this. It's just a plain box and it has Influenster on it, and on top is my address and stuff. And I already pulled out all the products on top, so but everything came like everything came like super protected, because they came with a lot of these peanuts, I guess. They kind of look like Cheetos or something like that, like white Cheetos. But yeah, anyways, in the box it comes with a card that says Influencer, and it tells you which box you're getting. So I got the Spring Beauty Vox Box, and it tells you what are the products that the box contains. So basically everything here is free and it's for you to test. So if anyone is interested in joining the site, I really do recommend it, especially if you want to try out new products. So these are just some of the products that I got. And yeah. And also came with this Sally Hansen nail salon effects pamphlet. I guess this shows you what kind of designs they have and how to apply it. So I'll just show you that one first. So the Sally Hansen Salon Effects nail polish strips I got was this, I guess, like zebra print, I guess. And it's the one called Wild Child. So it looks like this. So that was one of them. Another product was the chapstick. I'm actually really happy that they gave us a chapstick that has SPF 50 plus, because I find that a lot of chapsticks don't have strong SPF or enough SPF, so your lips don't really get as much protection as it should have. And you can use this all seasons. I'll probably list the retail prices in annotations, so it's easier instead of just telling you right now. And another product is the Aveeno Daily Moisturizing Body Wash. I actually never tried this before. I know that their body lotions and moisturizers are really good, but I never tried their body wash before. This is a 2-ounce bottle, and yeah, probably can't see that, but it actually says that you can actually use it for shaving too, but I think I'd rather just use it for body wash because it's so tiny. So yeah, that's that. Oh, another thing is this is the Sheer Cover Concealer. I like that there's two colors, so you can actually mix it to match your skin tone, I mean. And it looks like this. This is in light and medium. The next item is this Soy Joy. What do you call this? Fruit. It says baked whole soy and fruit bar. I've never tried one of these, but I've seen them a lot in stores. It says it's moister and fruitier. And it's baked with ground whole soy and real fruit. So yeah, looks like that. And this is the one in strawberry. The next product that I got, it actually wasn't listed on the card that I was going to get this, so I was surprised as this was on there, or in there, I mean. And this is the Dr. Scholl's For Her Ball of Foot cushion. So it's good for people who wear heels. I actually don't really wear heels, but I guess this comes in handy if there is one day that I do wear them and if my feet start to hurt or they feel pain. I guess these would they come in handy. And you get a pair of these. And the last product, it came bubble wrapped, but even though it was in glass, but yeah, it was packaged really nicely. And it's the Bath and Body Works. Bath and Body Works. Oh, hold on. It's okay, you can ignore that. It's the Bath and Body Works Japanese Cherry Blossom Fine Fragrance Mist. And you get 8 ounces. So yeah, I love the design of the bottle. The only thing I don't like is actually the scent that much. It's okay, but I actually have a bottle of this, but the stronger version, and I actually don't really like it that much. But I like this fine mist a little better because the scent kind of diffuses, so it doesn't seem as strong as the I guess the perfume or the other version. But yeah, it looks like this, and it says it's a fine mist, but you probably can't tell. But yeah, it is really fine. I mean, I tried it yesterday, so I mean, the only reason why I don't like it is because it smells kind of warm or kind of spicy, I guess. So yeah, that's the only reason why I don't like this. But anyways, these are all the products that I received. And yeah, I'll be testing them, I guess. And I guess if anyone is interested in checking out the website, I definitely do recommend you go check it out. And all you do is fill out surveys, and I guess if you get chosen, you do get a free Vox box, and you get to try out the products and just tell people what you think of them. And yeah, that's basically it. Anyways, if you have any questions about these products, just let me know and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. So I'll talk to you guys later. Bye!